Okay, I thought I'd show you how I clean the windows over bushes where you can't actually stand, and I don't think the customers be too happy if you tramp over the plants. Anyway, I've just scrubbed it, as you can see. I'll just get my, this is a 12-inch squeegee. It seems to work a little bit better using on smaller glass. As you can see, I'm just sort of taking my time, making sure I get everything. That way I have less detailing to do. Just go down the sides, up, round, and I'm doing this one just extra time. There's just a little mark there, and it was pretty warm on the day. I'll just go over it again. And these bottom ones, I'll side over the little frame in the middle also. But basically, yeah, that's about it.